Good morning. We are day 2 of section 8, and cold front moved through last night, and it is chilly this morning as you can probably tell from my hood that I'm wearing. We left about 8:50 a.m. and we're going to do 12 miles today. Gonna get to the Pinnacle, I don't know what they call it, Pinnacle, Flatside Pinnacle or something like that. And we're gonna have a good view. And while it might be chilly this morning, there's not a cloud in the sky. It's gonna be very sunny, but it's a good little wind pushing through, so don't let the sun fool you. It's still cold, but hopefully it will warm up into the mid 40s and not be too bad. We'll see. 12 miles is the goal today, all the way to Brown Creek Shelter. I'm guessing that there will probably be some other people there. This is a pretty popular section, at least over there by that shelter. It's pretty popular. A lot of day hikers, so we might run into some people. We'll see. But I slept pretty well last night. Got off my feet, gave them a good rest, did some stretching. So that was good thing. So that's all I'm going to tell you. If you look here, we got a few rolling hills we're going up. So we'll see how the terrain is today. I imagine it'll be very similar to this. No big climbs, well, maybe one, but no you know, nothing crazy, but just a lot of rolling hills that follow the ridge line is kind of what I'm expecting. We'll see. All right, we'll check in with you later. Okay, mile marker 172. Well, we're still on top of the ridge. We've gone about a mile and a half, something like that. 172, yeah, a mile and a half. So moving right along. Still kind of chilly, windy up here on top, just what you'd expect. My arm is feeling better. I fell yesterday and kind of landed on my arm. It was a weird kind of fall too. Never fallen like that before, but I thought it would be worse this morning than it is, but it's not too bad. So just a little bit of a stinger. When you backpack and you walk a lot of trails with a lot of rocks, you're gonna stumble, so it's part of it. But beautiful morning, just windy, and we're trying to make it to Flatside Pinnacle for an awesome view. The weather is totally dialed in and really looking forward to it. But we've got about 7 miles before we get to it, and then there's a spur trail. I'm not sure how long the spur trail is, but feeling good. So far so good. Loaded up with a little more water this morning than I did yesterday, but should be fine. Should be fine. Brad and Sabrina are behind me, not too far, so we have our radios to stay in touch. These radios are proving to be very handy, very useful, so I'm glad I got them. Definitely worth it. This is what it looks like right now. Can't complain about this. I'll take this all day long. Here we are. Mile marker 175. I didn't film 174. I actually thought I had passed it when I hadn't. So I kind of overestimated my distance. But there's a nice creek down there. There's just not a whole lot of good camping areas right in here. Terrain, I guess if you're in a hammock you might find something, but if you're in a tent, pickings are slim. Well, looks like there might be something over there, but I'm not sure the trail even crosses over there. I don't think it does. No, it bends, keeps going this way. Wow, it's a big rock formation there. So that looks kind of cool. Trying to make it to Crystal Prong. I'm going to take a break there. I don't even know what mile marker that is. Okay, this is the kind of stuff you have to be careful with. You got rocks and they're wet. Very slick stuff. Oh wow, that's cool. Get over here, I'll show it to you. That's a neat rock formation or side of a mountain or whatever you want to call it. Okay, another slick rock. Yeah, look at that. Just sticking right out of there. Cool. Look at all this lovely water. This is what you like to see right here, running water. This is the best place to get your filtering. Where we filtered from last night didn't look all that appetizing, but I drank some and didn't get sick. At least I hadn't yet. Okay, boy, this is this is a pretty area, man. Check this out. I got a waterfall. Wow, check this out. My goodness, beautiful. Very cool. Very cool. Okay. Another view. All right, here I am at Crystal Prong, and this ought to be super interesting. I have to cross over this. There's the blue blaze right there on that tree. Then it goes on up. So, not sure how best to do this. Maybe I should go over there. Shit, I think I will. All right, gonna have to put the camera gear and everything away to do this. It's kind of dicey. Just came right over this and trying to get back on the trail here. If I can find it. I think it's up here. Looks like it right here. That was some fun. All right, I hope this is the trail. Pretty sure it is, but you never know. All right, 179. Yeah, walked right by 179. I just came up a big pull. I didn't see 178, but I was pretty sure I passed it, and I did. I should be coming up on some sort of, I don't know, county road, forest road 123, and then I got another climb. After that, I'll cross county road 55, and then that'll take me on up toward Flatside Pinnacle. This is a big climb. This stretch right here, whew, from 177 on is, whew, it's all uphill, man. All uphill. Getting a workout. That's after we started at 170, so starting, I don't know, mile 9, mile 10, something, I don't know. Too tired to think. Still going up. Check it out. The camera doesn't really show it. It's going right up through there. I'll see you at the top. Well, this is quite a show. There, way in the distance there, right over there, that's Pinnacle Mountain. Here I am at the top of Flatside Pinnacle, and caught it on a great weather day. Just see for miles, miles and miles. It's pretty cool. So, I wish I could zoom in, but yeah, there's Pinnacle Mountain right there. Then you go this way, and on the far end over there, I think you can actually see, way over there, you can actually see Nuclear One steam coming off of the cooling towers. So, yeah, this is cool. There are the television off to the right there. The television towers for Channel 7, Channel 11, some others. Right below there is where my brother lives. I mean, you literally go out at his door, hang a left, and go up the hill, climb the hill, and you're where the towers are. So that is cool. This is an incredible view. I can even see downtown Little Rock. See the white building, see the Arkansas River. Ha! This is amazing. Amazing. So, the climb getting here was tough, man. But there is a county road 55, I think, that will, if you find it, it'll drive you up here. There's actually a parking place down there, and I saw some day hikers earlier, so you don't have to hike it the way I did. We went 10 miles today so far. We still have like 2.5 to go till we get to the shelter. But man, this is just so cool. You just don't see stuff like this very often. All right, I'm gonna take some pictures with my camera now. I think I even have some cell service. Wow, look at that back there. Ha! The Ouachitas are impressive. And back over there, right over there, is that mountain I called it Painter Mountain or Painted Mountain. That was wrong. It's called Fork Mountain. And we went by that the other day to the south of there. But man, it's impressive from up here. It's really cool. All right, time for some pictures. Creek Shelter. 2.5 miles. So that means I've done about 11 today, thereabouts. Between mile marker 177 and 179, man, there's some climbing in there. So if you're going west to east, be prepared for that little stretch. It's a humdinger. All right, 2.5 miles. Oh man, I gotta go up another hill. Are you kidding me? Jeez. Look at this. I just climbed all of that stuff and now it's going to take me back up a hill again. Good gosh. The trail is cruel today. 182. Half mile to the trail. Here comes some day hikers.
Howdy.
How's it going, guys? All right.
How are you?
All right. You heading to Flatside Pinnacle?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm headed back.
It's a great view from up there.
Yeah.
You'll like it. Made it to Brown Creek Shelter. Let's see what this place has to offer. I bet there are people here. I hope not, but I bet there are. Okay, as you can tell, there are occupants of the Brown Creek Shelter. But luckily there's plenty of flat spaces out here. So I'm just gonna go find one and set up. Probably, I don't know, maybe back over there. We'll see. All right, here we are at the end of day 2, 13 miles. We made it to the Brown Creek shelter. There it is right there. There are about 4 or 5 guys in there. We ran into them earlier. They were going up to Flatside Pinnacle, check out the view. I'm sure they'll be back at some point soon. Sabrina and Brad are down filtering water. And this is my setup for the night. A tarp. Not pretty, but very, very effective. So I like it. It does good things. And it's super lightweight. And it works really well. The whole, the insert and the tarp itself are about a pound and a half. You throw in the stakes and some of the ties, you know, you're looking at 2 pounds. So and it's extremely flexible, so I like it a lot. Here comes Sabrina and Brad. This is their setup. Ignore my laundry. This is their setup right here. It's fun coming up that hill, isn't it? Yeah. Huh? Yeah, you caught me. That was a lot of fun. Did you guys get a lot of pictures up at Flatside?
Oh, we took several. Yeah, quite a few. Beautiful view up there.
Fork Mountain looked pretty cool. I got a shot of that.
Yeah, you see it in the distance.
Yeah. Took several panos.
Yeah.